Guys, running Kimono here. So as you can see, Pumpkin is getting ready for Halloween, and he's made himself into a cartoon. Congratulations to the 3 winners. I've been having a bunch of little giveaways in the last couple of days. I've heard from 2 of the winners, and one of them I haven't heard from, so please get back to me ASAP. And you guys really seem to enjoy these sort of giveaways, so look for them in the future. They will always be peppered somewhere in a video once a week. Now, before we do a really big deep dive into my haul today, I want to get you guys to go onto your Walgreens app, go into the digital coupons folder and load this guy. It is a sneak peek, meaning it's not activated yet. It's valid from the 30th right up till September the 5th. And this is a really great one too. So hopefully you have it. Let me know in the comments which one you received. Hey guys, so let's talk really quickly too before we dive into the deals about the P&G Good Everyday site. I have received emails, DMs, comments. A lot of you are saying, hey, the gift cards are back. So they are back. So hopefully you were still submitting your receipts and collecting points. But there's a couple changes and a couple different stipulations. In the fine print, you can only get 1 per day, and it's a limit of 2 gift cards per month. However, your points, you can accumulate them collectively. So, I mean, it's not the worst thing, you know, and how much P&G stuff do you buy a month? Usually when the new insert comes out, the first week we go really hard. And just to show you, this is the fine print, the second sentence, 2 gift cards per user per month. So there it is. But still submit. Those gift cards still add up to something, you know. So just that's the update, guys. And I knew they were going to do something like that. So that's the info I have. Did this deal and it worked. It worked beautifully for me, where I got this to be a very small money maker after register rewards and coupons and all that magic. So we're going to walk through this again. It worked out perfectly. And then I found a couple items on clearance, including a whole bunch of cough syrup, some CeraVe. Did this little deal for the Almay face towelettes. And then finally was able to track down a toilet paper and Kleenex over at Walgreens. So we're going to go through the details of all this stuff in a quick second. And then finishing up some monthly deals over at Rite Aid, including to get some really inexpensive hauls. I'll talk about that. And then just a couple other little miscellaneous stores, Meijer, Family Fare, and Bath & Body Works. And then we have a Sleeping Beauty right here. Do you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Hi, Daisy. Oh, we give everybody kisses. Very nice. Okay, I'll let you go back to sleep. Weather report for you. It was raining really hard this morning. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. Okay, first store that we're going to go to is Walgreens. And I made a video on this yesterday because the way that this deal would line up, it would be either like $6 or $5.98, or if you had register rewards to throw in, it would be, you know, a way to make those register rewards back into points. Now, for a lot of you that might say, oh, well, that's not really a traditional freebie. Yep, that's a very valid point. However, with register rewards, you kind of have to do something with them because within 2 weeks they expire, or you might misplace them like yours truly. I do that all the time. So this is just a really good deal that if you did both the Crest and the Almay deal, you can use 2 register rewards to like recycle them into points. So hopefully you could see what I'm saying. And so we're going to talk about this real quick. And I grabbed 2 of these and they are 39 cents each. So at checkout, they have these little candies and they're 39 cents a piece. So 2 of them. I believe the suckers are 2 for $1 at my location. So I grabbed these instead. This guy is $9.99 and this guy was $12.99. So the online prices were the same in store and online. So all of this stuff together, guys, is a subtotal of $23.76. Now, you remember yesterday in the video, I was like, you might have a problem where this 3 and then this 4 might not come off if you use register rewards. Well, I was told in the comments that there was a method that if you got the filler item scanned first, the register rewards would attach to that, and it makes sense for the line limit. So I did exactly that. I got the cashier to scan both of these candies first, and then this and this, and then I presented my 2 $4 register rewards, and they attached to these 2 items, and then the digitals for these 2 came off. So a special shout out to 2 Bright Saver, because I believe she said that in one of her videos, and my friend Wanda saw that and she's like, hey, you should try this method. And this method actually worked really well. So thank you so much, 2 Bright. She's an awesome Walgreens shopper. So anyhow, guys, just to go through this again, 2 of these, 39 cents, $9.99, $12.99, for a subtotal of $23.76. And then I presented 2 $4 register rewards. I believe they attached to this. I had a $3 for this one, and then a $4 for this one, so that's another $7 of digital manufacturers. My new total is $876 plus tax, and then I got back my 10,000 points. And that $876, you have to pay cash for the balance, because this promotion is when you spend 20, you get back 10,000. So you have to pay cash for the balance. So I did that, got back my 10,000 points, and it basically made this guy for free. And I think it's a really great use if you have register rewards to take them and to throw them back into points. So this worked out beautifully for me. Now I did this quick deal because I wanted to use, I wanted to get another register reward for my Gillette King C. So these guys are on a buy one, get one 50% off, $5.99 for the first, $2.99 for the second, for a subtotal of $8.98. I had a 3 off a 2 from a recent smart source. So $5.98 is the new subtotal. I used 5,000 points, paid 98 cents out of pocket, and got back a $4 register reward that I used in this deal. So that was fantastic. A little clearance find for my mom. The CeraVe was $3.89. I basically used 3,000 points. I'm not sure if there is a manufacturer for this guy right now or not, or did it expire. I'm gonna kick myself if it was still valid, but anyhow, I paid 89 cents for this guy, and I'm okay with that because this is something that she'll use. And then I found 1 Kleenex and 1 Scott, and I bought these 2 together. So these guys are $5 a pop. There's a $1.25 IVC. You get the cashier to scan that once. It'll apply to both, subtracting $2.50. And then there were also dollar digital coupons that showed up on Sunday, so another $2 came off. So I basically paid $2.75 for each of them. And what I did was I just used some points to pay that down. So how tremendous is that? Okay guys, last deal that we're going to talk about is the Robitussin. So in the clearance section at this one store I visited, I was like shocked to find a whole bunch, and there was even more than this. Like there was like probably double this amount, but I only grabbed 8 of them. And so they are $2.19 each. We have a $3 IVC coupon found in the August Big Book, making it completely for free. So what'll happen is the IVC coupon will reduce down to the cost of the item. There is no overage with this. So it just made it like I had to pay tax on this. So that was really fantastic. So I got 8 of them, and it was like $17 and some change. So if you can walk down the cold and flu aisle, I was really surprised to find these there, and there was like a ton of them. And a lot of these actually had peelies on them too, but somebody removed all of them. So it wasn't me. And I'm probably gonna donate these up to a soup kitchen, or like a food bank up the road, because there's just no way I'm going to use all of this. But the way that, you know, this really bad virus, cold and flu season, I know a lot of people can have a lot of good use for this, so I'm definitely going to be giving a bunch of these away. that was Walgreens. Very delighted with my haul. And I'm really happy that this worked. And I mean, just a really superb little haul today. Before we talk about Rite Aid, we're going to take a quick second to talk about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box, and basically they provide you with a recipe card, all the ingredients to create a really nice meal. And I have been with them for about 2 years. I really enjoy this because I don't have to go to the grocery store and look for, you know, cherry jam and all the little fingerling potatoes and all that stuff. Like, it arrives and just to assemble it is really quick. And this is definitely like 5 steps above Applebee's. I know a lot of you like to see the food that I get, but just a really great box. If you guys are interested, I have a coupon code in the notes for $40 off your first box. So it would be $20, UPS shipping included, to try your first box. If you just want to do a one and done, you just sign up the first time, order your box, and then just you know, deactivate your account or put it on pause. Very easy to do. But you know, you would get 3 amazing meals for the cost of 20 bucks. So this is just fantastic. And this is for new signups only as well. But like, I mean, it's just so easy. And my husband likes to make these, so I get spoiled because I don't even have to make dinner anymore. So don't tell him that. But anyhow, if you guys are interested, check out the link in the notes. I mean, this is just a tremendous service, and it's really helped us out because I don't like grocery shopping lately. What we have is Rite Aid, and just a couple quick little deals. You might want to look for these guys either in the clearance aisle or in the regular cold medication aisle. The hauls at my store were 69 cents each. So for 3 of them, that's $2.07. I had a $1 off 3 digital coupon that came off for this. So I made it $1.07 for the 3, basically shaking these out to 35 cents each. And my husband likes the cherry one, 25, so I don't mind paying that for these. This is a monthly deal on the Max Freeze. Shout out to Ravi. This is in fact his deal. So the Max Freeze is on a buy one, get one free. And the monthly promotion for these guys is $5 of bonus cash. And even for the free one, you're still getting the bonus cash. So how wonderful is that? So these two were $12.49. But one was $12.49. This one was free. This one was $10.49, and this one was free. There was a $4 coupon from a recent insert. I'll put it in the next slide. So I was able to use 2 of them. So $8 came off. So I paid $14.98. What I did, guys, was I basically had bonus cash on my store card, and I used that to pay it down. And then I got back $20 of bonus cash, 5 for each. So it made it free plus a $5 and 2 penny money maker. Again, special thank you and shout out to Ravi. He is a tremendous Rite Aid shopper. All of you guys should be following him. A little deal on these Glucerna minis, and shout out to Mrs. Empty Nester. This is in fact her deal. So these guys with your gold discount are $3.99 a pop. There's a $3 coupon from a recent insert. I will type it out in the next slide. So you'll pay 99 cents and get back $2 of bonus cash for each. You can do this up to 4 times. This is a harder item to find in stores because I found 2 at one store and 1 at a different location. So it basically made these, you know, a really small money maker after everything was said and done, like $1.02 per box. My mom is diabetic, so I'm just trying to stock this stuff up for her. And you know what, guys? I actually, I got really hungry and I had one of these and it was so delicious I had 2. So don't tell my mom. But they're a really good, and even if you're doing low carb, it's really good. Like I thought it would taste like you know, sawdust or something not very flavorful, but like I had 2 and I couldn't stop myself. I'm like, I have to stop because I'm getting carried away here with these Glucerna bars, but they're really good. If she wants to put it in her purse, if her blood sugar is low, I think I got 4 for her altogether, so I'm gonna have to stop eating them too. Next store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is in the Midwest and a couple other states, but there is no sister store to this store, just to note that. There was a $3 M-Perk, which is basically a manufacturer coupon that showed up for the Gelosity and then the 2-pack. So grabbing 1 of each, load both of those $3 coupons, and you're paying tax for these 2. So how fantastic is that? So delighted with these pens. Okay, and just one more thing to be on the lookout for, guys. If you might get this out of the Catalina machine at checkout, $5 off your next trip. You actually just take that code and put it into your mPerks account, like you know where the coupons folder is at the top of your digital account, and $5 will magically appear on your store card. And I thought this was for new signups only or new accounts, and since I don't have another phone number to create a mystery account with, I just was throwing them in the garbage. But then I stopped and read it, and I was like, oh my God. So I think I threw 2 of these out in the garbage earlier in the week. So if you want to unfollow me, because this is just stupid throwing $10 in the garbage, you might want to look for these in the store. You know, sometimes people just throw them in the basket or throw them out like yours truly, like a dummy. But if you see it, punch it right into your account. It's 1 per account. So if you want to do yours and like somebody in your households, I mean, this is some free money, and these have been printing out a lot. Like it printed out earlier in the week, and I didn't really read it closely, and then I was like, oh my gosh. So anyhow, guys, if you track these down, it's a $5 bill basically. Another store named Family Fare. They used to have a Wednesday freebie, and then it vanished, and then it's been coming back in bits and bobs. So I don't mind that because I love it when they have these freebies, and you have to load it today. So on both mine and my husband's card, it's these little cups of Chef Boyardee pasta made with cauliflower. It looks like it's something for like a little kid, honestly, because like, look at my hand, I look like a giant compared. So what I'm gonna do is when I bring up that Robitussin, I'm probably gonna make a box of food and bring it up to this food pantry up the road and donate it for some kid for breakfast or for lunch program or something like that. And it's good till July of 2021. Have a Family Fare, load this guy right away because it's Wednesday only that you can load this little coupon, and who doesn't like a little freebie? Bath and Body Works, and I was really on the fence about returning the hand soaps because I felt kind of like a boob being like, I don't like the Cherry Merlot, I want to change it. So I just felt kind of like dumb, you know, just being that person. But the lady at the store was super nice, and I was looking for because I like the foaming hand soap. I know my mom likes the lemon scent too. And this is like really elegant looking too, with the fake marble. So I had 3 Cherry Merlots. I did not like them because it just smelled really perfumey and fake. But the lemon ones I really enjoy. So anyhow, I got 3 of these as a return. I know a lot of you were saying in the comments like, just return it, just return it. So I finally went around and did that today, and I was really happy that I did it because I had 3 that I really did not like. And again, I made the mistake. I thought it was the one that was like blackberry basil. I didn't know it was Merlot because I was so rushed in the store. I was like, I gotta get to the Dollar General. So thankfully I did that. And in case you didn't know, yep, if you buy something at Bath and Body Works and you hate the scent, you have the option to return it even if you don't have a receipt. So thanks to all the subscribers who kind of put a boot up my butt saying, hey, just go return it, stop being such a baby. Because I just hate returning stuff sometimes. I don't know, it's just a weird thing. And I shouldn't have a problem with that, but for whatever reason, I just would rather just use it or give it away. But with COVID, I'm not really seeing anyone anymore. So, you know, I really wanted hand soaps that I specifically would like. So that was just kind of like, you know, doing my own thing. But anyhow, thanks to all the ladies who encouraged me to do that because you were spot on. So that's it for this haul, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. I'll talk to you later. Bye.